Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to this.
So what's up, guys? It's A90 Blazer, Kevin Monroy here with another video. We're gonna do a 2-year ownership with the Supra. And there's been, I think, 2 or almost 3 years. It's been a while. But this is obviously you guys can tell, finally got the car wrapped. This is the last video. Finally, I don't know what to call it. It looks like red, purple, yellow, even black at night. The cameraman is my friend Aiden, you know. You can show yourself. It's Aiden, the boy. And that's Angel coming in. Then, okay, obviously now, I do got a carbon fiber hood. Don't quote me on the brand, but it's a carbon fiber hood from a friend. I got some carbon fenders, carbon side skirts. I got some VR racing wheels. Shout out VR for helping me out. Carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber side skirts. I was gonna do the door garnishes, but I felt like it was gonna be too much. I'm on a I forgot what kind of weld is it, but it's a weld. Mickey Thompson Street SS. They hook pretty good. I have a carbon, diffuser. I don't know what they call this, but it's the rear or something. It's carbon. And I got a carbon fiber diffuser. I had a carbon fiber, what's it called? Spoiler. But after getting the car wrapped, I kind of want to take it off, but it kind of looks more a faster look. But no more spoiler, no more. Got a third brake light finally. I do got a Boost in Performance single exit exhaust. I got custom interior red cover seats. Thank you, Custom Interior, for sending these over. Really nothing crazy, that's only it. Got dash cam to see my dash cam footages. I got my Uden R8. What's it called? Radar detector. It was pretty much inside. I'm trying to work on it more. I want the inside to be a little bit cleaner look. But the more important part, let's see what we got in the engine bay. There's nothing crazy in the engine bay, but I don't know if I told you guys my model list. So obviously we got the permit for Mexico. You know, that's Mexico racing. We have stock manifold, unfortunately. Stock manifold. Got a charge pipe. I got a flex fuel sensor from BootMod. Original high pressure fuel pump. Got an intake. And the holy grail, I got upgraded turbos from Remnant Performance. 65 Omega. With the intake, charge pipe, all comes with the kit. What else I'm missing? I am on port injection with the Remnant Performance port injection kit. I forgot the injectors I got, but I got some injectors. Pretty much it. Simple bolt-on, simple upgraded turbo. I'm tuned by Mikey Body. He's been doing great work. I just finished my 93 tune, and 93 tune on upgrade turbo from body is insane. It feels good. And I had an E85 mat with my body, but it had some tweaks in it, and it felt amazing. But we're trying to get that squared away. That's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot the carbon front lip too, matching emblems. That's much it. I got nothing. What else? You think I'm missing something in the car, Hayden? I'm obviously downpipe. You know, obviously after, you know, I got to be downpipe. I don't know. The car treated me well. I got over 50,000 miles now. I got the car back in 2021, I think, or 2022. I don't remember. But I had a Mustang before this, and now I can't complain. B58, reliable. Everybody says BMW's not reliable. I guarantee it's reliable. You know how much things I've done to this car, what I put it through, they've been amazing but reliable. How many STs, RSs I beat, 235s, 240s. I'm calling. But they've been beating everything on the road except a Q50 so far. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get back to it. The only thing I'm missing is built trans and obviously the manifold. I'm on a conservative tune just because I'm on stock trans. I can't go on 6th gear. So that's the weakest point. But after that, I'm sending this to the moon. I'm sending this to 900 horsepower. I'm sending this straight to the moon. But thanks for watching, guys. That was my Blaze A90 Supra build. Not crazy. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore. Now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck. Got in the truck, kissed the moon his lip.